Hello, brothers and sisters. Man from middle of nowhere is reporting. We are going with my father to get some spring water. Pure Finnish spring water. Spring water from Finland. Ilomantsi. So let's go and get some water. It's better than the tap water for sure. For sure. Perkele. Ei mitään. Now we are going to the boat. We take a boat to the spring water location. Right, Dad? Dad doesn't answer. He only have few words. But here is the boat. Here is the boat. And we are going over there. White boat. Where are we going, Dad?
Rowing.
Where? He's a man of couple words. Or he's very shy of the camera. I think he's very shy of the camera. And he's like, why are you not helping me? He's doing all the work. I'm sorry, Dad. But now I'm coming. Now I'm coming. Let's go get some.
Nää laitetaan tohon.
Now we are doing. Okay.
Tähän näin tälleen vaan niitä. Kato, kun soudetaan tosta.
Yes. Can I souta? What is souta in English? I don't.
Vuos vaikka.
What is souta in English?
Nyt kytät ensin eteenpäin. Ensin mene tonne noin.
Okay. Okay, guys. So I'm going alone. This was not the plan how we planned this, but I hope I'm not drowning. I hope I'm not drowning, Dad. I hope I'm.
Työnnä sillä puolella.
Man from the city. Joo, I know. Työnnä.
Niin silleen, että se menee pitkäksi. Tiedäthän se nyt miten. Tästä kiinni ja.
Hello, bye. Film here. Here audience wanna see when I'm going. Okay, I haven't done this in 20 years. So I don't know. This is very small boat. Oh my God, for a man size like me. It's doing good. Press the red button. Give me one berry.
Puraset ja sit. Nää on terveellisiä.
What is the name of this berry?
Variksen marja.
I hope the translation comes.
Mut sit sylkäset ne.
You have to spit them.
Mut nyt tonne pitäis nyt soutaa, mut.
There, okay, la. Now I have to stop the camera because I think something will happen if I don't have a cameraman yet, but maybe soon. It's a very nice day, I would say. Tomorrow it's gonna be a rainy day, but today is a very nice day, and this is how I'm gonna get some spring water for the first time in many years, 20 years. And I'm very excited to see the spring where the water comes. So let's go now. I still have some way to that way. It's so peaceful here. It's so peaceful, Hare Krishna. Woo! This is very good exercise. I'm so happy to do this. I don't know word for this. In Finland we say soutaa. I like to soutaa. Minä tykkään soutaa, but now I have to continue. I still have. We are literally in middle of nowhere. Let's see if I can see some snakes. We go forward. Oh, butterfly. That's a very beautiful butterfly. Too many butterflies. These Mesimaria. Oh, flowers. Okay. Wow. In the city we can't see many butterflies because there's not many butterflies. But here I have seen so many butterflies. So now we are at the spring. And this water we can drink, yes?
No.
Oh no. Okay, let the master show. But I wanna taste. Okay. Now, spring water review. We have one of the cleanest tap waters in Finland, but oh! I give 6 out of 5 for this water. I'm a very happy man. Thank you.